What is going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be clearing up everything when it comes to what tools you need and what softwares you need to sell on Amazon to find your first very good product that's going to make you a lot of money. When I first started selling 4 years ago, I had to buy about 8 to 10 different softwares from 8 to 10 different companies to get everything I needed to sell correctly. That was a lot of effort and that was a lot of money. So luckily now, 4 years later, a lot has changed, and one company in specific has made it to where you can get all the tools you ever need for product research all in one place on one website from one company at a very low price as well, which is good. And that company is going to be AMZscout. So AMZscout is offering a new bundle package where you get 7 tools all in one price. So you get them all together as a bundle. And I'm going to show you how these tools are going to help you find your first product or your next product or a successful product very quickly, much easier than going to 10 different websites for 10 different softwares. So first we're going to go over the 7 tools and I'm going to break them down for you guys. So the first one's going to be the AMZscout Pro Chrome extension, and that is going to be absolutely necessary. If you guys have watched my channel for a little bit, you probably know that that is absolutely necessary for finding a good product, along with the next one, which is the AMZscout web app, and that is also absolutely necessary to find a good product. Now, all the other tools that I'm about to mention after these first 2 tools are going to be like a cherry on top. They are going to be the things that get you to the next level of success, or if you are a new seller, that's going to start you at a professional level. So a lot of professional sellers are using all these different tools and things to help them get to the next level. And if you are a beginner and you start with all these tools, you are going to be looking pretty good very quickly. So after the first 2, we have the keyword tracker, and I'm going to be showing you guys all these tools in just a minute and how they work. And then we have the quick view, and then we have the FBA calculator, then stock stats, and then the Amazon to eBay price comparator. So when all these tools are used together, it is going to really change your business and change the way you do things, because it's going to make things a lot easier and a lot more efficient and effective, which make you successful faster. Also, you guys may have noticed at the very bottom, you get a huge discount when you get all these all in the one bundle. It's called the Amazon Starter Bundle. So you basically get more than 50% off, like 55% off, and the total is $228. I remember, once again, 4 years ago, spending well over $1,000 on tools. So I'm a little bit jealous that everyone gets these tools for so cheap nowadays, because when I first started 4 years ago, I remember spending well over $1,000 for all these different kinds of tools, and they weren't even this good, because now they're a lot more efficient than they used to be. So if you guys want the link to this exact page and this exact offer, I'm going to leave it down below in the description. It's going to say tools I use, and then it will say AMZscout for product research. You guys can click on that link and it will take you to this exact page where you can get this special offer. So once again, link down below for this page. Okay, so here we are on the web app, and this is going to be one of the most important things. Like I said, this one's absolutely necessary for finding your good Amazon FBA products. And the good thing about the web app is it doesn't just find us products, it also has other things like product tracking we can do in it, and also keywords explorer. So it has so many other tools in just the web app alone. But the main thing you're going to be using on the web app is going to be this right here, which is the product database. And then this page right here is going to pop up. What we do on here is we are going to sort all these different filters and filter out what products we want to look for. So we want to look for products with a price range between 17 and 52. We want estimated sales at a minimum of 200 with no maximum, things like that. And if you guys want to learn exactly how to use this web app and the Chrome extension, which I'm about to talk about in just a minute, then I will leave a card up top at the top of the video. You guys can click on it and it will take you to my in-depth review video of this web app and the Chrome extension. That way you guys will be professionals at using these and know how to use it perfectly. Really quickly, if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so. We are growing pretty quickly. Thank you all so much, and we give out more information here on this channel about Amazon FBA than any other channel here on YouTube. Also, if you guys are interested in getting taught by me personally in learning Amazon FBA and me guiding you through the whole process from start to finish, then you guys can get into my private course and mentorship. And the link to that will be the first link down below in the description. You guys can go ahead and click on that link. It will take you to my website, and you guys can watch the homepage video, and it explains how the whole mentorship and course works. And if you guys happen to have any questions about that before you get in, my email is right here, askrileyturner@gmail.com. You guys can email me and ask me questions before you get into the course, and I will be happy to answer them. That's it. Once again, go down below, first link in description, and check it out. So after we've entered in all these different things, all these different filters, and all of our different criteria, we go down here to apply filter, and it will start to show us different products that show up meeting our criteria. So all the different filters we put in, these products fall within the filters. And this is where we're going to find our product ideas. I remember doing this 4 years ago. Things were a lot less efficient and a lot less easy back then, but it's crazy how much easier things have gotten now. So going through here, you're just going to find things that catch your eye. So maybe this, we can click on it, check it out, see what it is, and look further into it to see if it would be a good idea to sell. So we want to look at what kind of product this is, and I'm guessing it is right here, a knitted throw blanket. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this and then paste it up in the Amazon search bar and look it up and see if they all look the same. So yeah, they all look like the same kind of blanket. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look further into this product idea and see what the numbers look like on it and see if it's going to be good for us to sell or bad for us to sell. So what we're going to do is we are now going to run the AMZscout Pro Chrome extension, and it's going to pop up top here, and you're going to see something like this. It's going to come up with all the different numbers and show you exactly how the product's selling and what it's selling like, how many reviews it has. And this is what is going to give us a better understanding of whether we should move forward with this product or if we should stop looking and find another one. And once again, I'm so blown away because back then we used to do so much more work, and now it just tells you if it's a good product or not. Basically, the softwares and the algorithms do it for you. They do the work for you. So on here, you can see things like the estimated sales, and these are all the different listings that we just searched for. So you can see all the different throw blankets, and we can look into it to see if it's a good product to sell. Once again, like I said earlier in the video, if you guys want an in-depth review of how to use this, then you guys can go click the card up top and it will take you to my in-depth review. Okay, so here we are on the next tool, and this is going to be the keyword tracker right here. And what we want to do is we want to hit add product, and it's going to ask us for an ASIN. So we're going to go back over here to the knitted throw blankets, and we're going to pick one. So let's say we want to check on this one right here. Let's see what kind of keywords they're ranking for. So we want to scroll down to the very bottom of their page until we get to this big box right here, and you want to look for ASIN and then come across, and that is going to be the ASIN number that we are looking for. So go ahead and copy that and go back over to the keyword tracker and paste it into where it says ASIN. Now it's going to pop up with this listing right here. So that's the one that we were looking at. That's good. And we can track every 24 hours, 12, 6, 3, or 1 hour. And also, if you guys are selling in different marketplaces, you guys can choose what marketplace you're selling in. I'm going to leave mine on the US right here. And then you're going to go ahead and hit next, and it's going to show you what the keywords are looking like for this product. So here are some recommended keywords. We can go ahead and do sofa throw blanket. Let's see what that one looks like. You guys can also type in your own keywords down here. If you don't want to use the recommended ones right here, you can type your own in. And then we're going to hit add. So once we hit add, it's going to pop up right here. So here's the listing up top, and now we have the keywords down here. So here's the sofa throw blanket. We're searching for this keyword. We can see what this listing is ranking for using this keyword. So they're 269 rank on the sofa throw blanket keyword. They're also ranking on page 5 for this keyword, and their position on page 5 is listing number 21 on page 5. And after that, we can see competitors. This will show you how many people are using this keyword. So it looks like it's more than 7,000 people. So this is how you guys can break down what keywords are good for your product, how they're doing for your competitors. So if they're doing well for your competitors, then you can use them for your own listing. And there's a million different ways you guys can use this. I probably will do a pretty in-depth video about this tool alone later on. But here is just another tool that they offer in the bundle. Now let's go on to the next one. So the next one is going to be Quick View, and Quick View is really helpful because when you're scrolling through products looking at them, you'll see these big boxes right below. Now the next tool that they are going to give you is going to be Quick View, and Quick View makes your life a lot easier because it gives you a lot of good information without going to a bunch of different places to find it. So right here, it's going to put these big boxes below the listings, and it's going to give you the basic information that is very handy for you to have without digging in a bunch of places to find it. So right here is the ASIN number for this listing right here above it. If you remember just a second ago when I used the keyword tracker, I showed you how to find the ASIN number at the very bottom of the page, but I had to click on the listing, scroll to the bottom. So with the quick view, it makes it so much easier by just giving it to you right here without clicking on the listing or scrolling anywhere. It also shows you their brand name. It shows you what type of seller they are. So this one's fulfilled by merchant. And there's also fulfilled by Amazon sellers, which is what I do and what I teach. And after that, we can see their FBA fees and we can see their margins. We can see their listing quality, when they were first available. So when their listing first went live, the dimensions of the product, the weight of the product, and what it ranks in that category. And it shows you what it ranks for in the general category and the specific category. So quick view just makes it so much easier to access the important information that we need very quickly, because we're going to be going through a ton of different ideas very quickly. And the longer you spend searching for a product, the longer you're not selling. So this helps us get selling as fast as possible. Now, the next tool is going to be the FBA fee calculator. And this is going to help you guys mess around to see what your potential profit could look like for a product that you're looking at. So let's say we're looking at these throw blankets again. So let's go ahead and click on this listing right here and see what the FBA fee calculator is going to do for us. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it up, and now we can see the different categories. We can fill in all of our own information here and see if the product is going to be profitable or not. So we can do things like product cost. So that's going to be the price that you're paying your manufacturer to create your product. Shipping cost, which is what it's going to take to ship your product from your manufacturer to the Amazon warehouse. But the best part about the fee calculator is it's going to show you what the estimated fees are for this product. So we can see what the monthly storage fee is going to look like per unit. We can see what the fulfillment fee is, the referral fee, and it's basing all this estimated information based off of this competitor right here selling the same thing that we're looking into. So it's going to show us what this competitor is doing in their fees, and we can compare it to see if we can make a higher profit, or if we're going to make about the same profit, or to see if we're even going to make a profit at all. So this is great for finding out profitability, which is very important, because if you don't make profit, then you're not in business. Now, the next tool is going to be stock stats, and stock stats is going to help you see what your competition has left in inventory. So we're going to run it up here, and it's going to tell us what this listing has in inventory. So it says they have 100 left in stock right here. And this is good because you can see if your competition's about to run out of stock. You can also estimate to see how much stock you need to have. So you can look at the first 20 listings and average them out to see how much you should probably start with in inventory. And the even easier way of doing that is just by running the stock stats on the search page. So let's go ahead and go back here to the main search page and run stock stats again to see what the averages are for all these different top listings. Now, the last tool is going to be the eBay price comparator, and that is where it's going to compare prices for a product versus eBay and Amazon. This is mainly for if you are selling on eBay as well, or if you guys just like finding good deals and buying products at a cheaper price. But mainly these first 6 right here, which is the Chrome extension, the web app, the keyword tracker, the quick view, and FBA calculator, and stock stats. Those are going to be the ones that are going to change your business and totally change the way that you find products. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys take advantage of this offer, because 4 years ago, if I had this offer, I probably would have been selling much quicker. That's going to be the end of the video, guys. Once again, the link to this exact offer is going to be down below in the description under tools I use. That is it. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys go down below, click the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And last but not least, go down below, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, let me know if you have any questions, and I respond to every single comment. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video, or I will see you if you email me to get into my private course, or I will see you if you get in my private course and we will start working together. That's it. Catch you in the next one.